Hi guys, welcome to another short tutorial of WorldSlab 7. In this video, I will show you the basic charting features of WorldSlab. To open the chart, you might want to click here or there. As you move your mouse over the chart with the vertical or crosshair cursor, the date, time, and all price information will be displayed here. In the preferences, you can adjust all aspects of the chart, like the colors or the chart style. You can even save each combination as a theme and use it whenever you feel like a change. You can move the chart by holding the left mouse button within the chart and pull it to the left or right. When using the chart time bar at the bottom of the chart, you can move the chart much faster. A right mouse click gives you the option to go all the way to the left or right. Thanks for watching and see you soon.